Who is this man that comes my way? The dark one shrinks, they scream his name. Is this the someone they say? We set the captives free. Jesus rescue us, set us free from the chains holding us. Is there anybody out there hearing us? Set us free. Lift up your chain, I hold the key. You are free. You are free. Ikpumkpu. 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 Cover. Akoghelis. Akoghelis. Akogheli. Akoghelis forces. To cover them in all in all hospitals worldwide, where they take care of the sick. In all hospitals worldwide, all hospitals, psych ward, dental, nursing home, group home, where they take care of the sick, recuperative, I call them all hospitals because they take care of the sick there. And in eye clinic, where they take care of the eye and good vision. In doctors' offices, in doctors and nurses' offices, private or owned by government or by the state or by the community. In all dental for teeth, they are part of health, taking care of the teeth and everything. They are part of taking care of health. In all hospitals in Nigeria, Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent, in USA, in all states in USA, adult hospital, children's hospitals, cancer research hospitals, and in their labs, in all labs, where they do labs, take blood, check for what's going on in this person's body, then to be able to come up with good treatments. I call all hospitals, both psychiatric outpatient, in person, in all ER emergencies, in hospitals. They are all part of, I call them all hospitals. In Igbo, in my country, they call them hospital. But in USA, they call them hospitals. Then you know what I'm talking about. Ikpumkpu Akoghelis. Ikpumkpu cover Akoghelis forces in all hospitals. You see, let's start with the workers in the hospitals, the administration. When you guys all began, next thing, you notice there is kind of internal problem among you. You start having internal problems among you. Everybody start blaming everybody. Or you start having some kind of discrimination among you, kind of racism among you. This color have their crew they work with. This color have their crew they work with. No more unity. Or going through separation, disintegration, internal problem. And this group are planning a way to lie against this group. And this group are planning the way to lie against this group. So that higher administration, higher management will come in I say, okay, you did this, they take off your license. You did this, no more working for us. But when you guys all came together, the humble beginning, you began well. You made so many friends. You loved yourselves. But all of a sudden, internal problem began. You start having problems. The doctors, the management, the nurses, all that work there, the security in hospitals, those all that clean, start having internal problem. They are all coming from Akoghelis, Akogheli, and these energies are there, and trying to go into the mind and soul and body of the weaker vessel, the weaker mind, possess them, then carry out this mission. Then everybody start fighting among themselves. Sometimes you guys see yourself going to court among yourselves. This group suing this group suing this group, or somebody, you are doing well in your group. Then next thing, your management start doing some kind of silly mistakes that can lead to other patients' destruction, your patient destruction, or even end their life. And the sickness we have been trying to heal, to cure, you see this sickness, you check this person is no more. But next thing, the sickness come back to the person's body. They tell this person you are free. They go home, you hear the person die. Then the family sue. They say they deceive us and told us to go home. Whereas our brother, our sister, our mother, our father need to be in the hospital. But the hospital told us to go home. Everything is fine. Then we check. Everything is, the sickness is still there and the person died. They are all Akoghelis in the foundation. Yeah? They are inside the foundation and outside the foundation. The solution must be two. I'm telling you, the solution must be two. First, physical, and second, the spiritual aspect. Okay, ask yourself, we began well. Then all of a sudden, all of us are having problems among ourselves. No more unity. Then you need to dive in deeper and look into the spiritual aspect. Where are these energies rising against us from? Where are they coming from? Everybody that are coming to our hospital always want to sue us. And we are always, all the time, we are going through lawsuit, losing money. Because of our staffs continue to make some kind of mistakes, silly mistakes. Mistakes, they are, it wasn't intentional. But you continue to repeat the same mistake. They are all Akoghelis forces doing those things, pulling all hospitals down, causing your patients that are doing good to all of a sudden go into coma, shortness of breath, difficult breathing. Next thing, they die in the ER, in the emergency. All the Akoghelis forces there that wants everybody to die, destroying, bringing disintegration against lives and properties, to destroy all of them in all hospitals, in all ER, all that I just mentioned that I call hospitals worldwide in USA. To destroy all of them, I use all animals, roster, sense, bitacolas, male dog, nkita, male dogs, abago, otinku chicken, 4 he-goats, baby powders, cosmetic soaps, tissue napkins, destroy and turn all of them upside down. And where they might struggle to rise again, to block them, the Akoghelis forces, the negative forces that always claim they are right, to block them. I use all animals, roster, sense, bitacolas, Ebo Ngene, green blocking, Chuku and Ndiote walls, all colors blocking, uncountable rabbits, biophysical and spiritual giant walls, block all of them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, and to cover all the Akoghelis, Ikpumkpu, all these prayers to destroy, banish, cast out, cover, they are all Ikpumkpu. Then to cover all the Akoghelis, I use Oke and Adidi chicken, Oke and Adidi chicken, Obolocha, Oboloji, white and black chicks, Tatari uncooked eggs, Tatari bitacolas, Ibu Nkata, basket ritual, capture all the Akoghelis forces in all hospitals foundation in their science and technologies against them, their workers in their homes, capture all the Akoghelis forces, capture all the Akoghelis forces, bring them down, use trash bags, trash bags, trash bags, black blanket, cover all of them, bring them down, tie, chain, block, blind, bury, cover all the Akoghelis, and banish them out from all hospitals, foundation, and their science and technologies. All hospitals worldwide be free in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And the ones in anybody's body causing disease in any way, in patient's body or in staff's body in any place, in their science and technologies, in their medication, in anything they give to heal that are there, that want to go into anybody's body like a virus to destroy lives and properties there. To cast them out, I use all animals, roosters, hens, frogs, goat, agama lizard, owls, grasshoppers, orange sugar, pepper soup, 33 uncooked eggs, 33 bitter colas, burning incense, burning sage, cast all of them out in the north, in the south, in the east, north, south, east, and west. All prayers transferred to all hospitals, all that I just mentioned, based in USA NATO science and technologies, transferred to all USA worldwide, USA NATO, all states where they heal the sick, all the hospitals, and cover all Akoghelis mental disorders there too, and banish them. All sky, rocket to sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinities, orbit, so many be. He say, Sanko and Chief Priest, Peter, Odira, Nkwuaku, Los Angeles, California, USA. USA. All hospitals that I just mentioned, all workers worldwide. Forward.